Okay, my friend, you said we should do a lesson on freehand playing because sometimes you find it difficult using your freehand playing without a capo. It's been a problem that most of the beginners and intermediates have on the guitar playing. So I'm taking this opportunity to address the issue again. I have a lesson on it, but I have to go back and do the lesson again to make it very simple and easy to follow. This lesson will not take more than 15 or 20 minutes. It's very easy and simple to follow. So you just do the watching, watch the video for me. Don't just download the video because you need it. You will watch the video as well too before you download or after you've downloaded the video to make it visible for others to join us. So let's go straight to the board. So this is the key E flat. This is E flat. So mi do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi. That is the E flat chord. So the same way we move, this is E. F because we use do, so, mi, do. And this is the main chord that makes people use clip or capo. This is the chord, so learn it well. If you are able to play everything. So it's better to know the board, the chords that is fa, mi, re, so, do, la, re, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, then ti, do. If you are able to play all these chords with ease, it means we are done. The whole thing is that this is the do. You can play the fa just like this. So we play our clip here. Then this is fa. So second, third, and fourth. So then we add this here, or we play just the three notes here. Then do, you can choose to not play the fifth note here on the fifth string. So when we move back, it is D, D flat or C sharp, C. So you can see the reason why we play this free or open here is that we already have the clip here. That is the white note here. So this is C. So let's change the finger position. So where on the fifth string this finger is, we play, you use the last finger. Then, so let's excuse this hand off the board. Then we play the C chord. You see, we have it just like this. So this is at the back. So when we are going to C sharp, it's the same way. So C sharp or E flat, go back to C with the same formula. You see that we have. So anything that we use the three fingers here to play, we are managing to use these three fingers here with the absence of the first finger at the back. So let's say we are playing a rhythm like Amponsa. So let's go instead of like this. If this finger is on the board, it will be like this because that is C7th chord. So the 7th chord will not be like that again, but it will be like this. Again. So let's go. So it's like, as I've said, this one is out. This is far. Or we can move too far. So you see far, do chord, then we come. So you see this. So we play with the absence of this. Unlike we come here. So we play with this first finger at the back of the guitar. So when we are playing double G, it will be the same way. So put the first finger and manage the rest of the three to play everything you know on or we've learned on key C. So going to the free hand is the same thing. So let's use C sharp for the ampersand, or let's come to the E flat. I've said the E flat. So E flat, this is E flat. You see? You can see this finger has made no movement. So the same way, that is the reason why we use the clip. So let me bring the clip here, the same here, because the clip will be at the back of the E. So if you've added the clip here, this is how it will be. It's like, so let's put our first finger on the string, on the capo or the clip. You see, the fact that the clip here, it means we are playing double G, it will be the same way, because double G we just play. So we will manage our way. So it's not a daily work or a daily assignment. So let's put. You see. The first thing to know is that this finger is not playing anything on the board except maybe the chord have it. So let's move the clip. So you see. So that doesn't mean this should be here like this, like the clip, tie it on the board. No, but it will not move to any position. Except maybe the chord have it, because you have far here or re chord, then it is in. But all the three, that's re. When it is qual. So when we are playing the surface, it's easy. You see, the same way. You see, it playing. You see, it has played the whole notes from top to down. So it is not anything difficult, but it's to understand and practice more. So it's like you've put this finger, first finger, at the back of the guitar and play everything you want to, you have, or you know. You see, so when we are playing that duet, so just let this one be at the back and play everything you know with the C. So after that, bring it onto the board, just bring it a step ahead and play the C. This one out of the whole spelling we are doing, except maybe you have it at its position. So you see, so we have our clip there. So we can move to fa where it is also here. La, mi. You can see the bar is there. La is there. Mi is there. Do is there. Re is there. So is there. Apart from fa and re, that you move, you can choose to move, or you like, if you like, you can play the fa here. But re, then you move. Or still you can choose to play the re here. So except the fa, so far you can play the half chord without the first string, then you play it the same way. So everything you know playing the C, just place this first finger at the back of the guitar and rehearse with the rest of the finger. That is the only remedy that will help you remove the clip from the board. So I don't want to waste much time on this because it's a basic understanding that each and every one must follow the steps. I'm telling you, it will be easy. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet soon.